we'll guide you through how to combine multiple audio files into one. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have some different audio files and I want to go and put them into one. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So I find it really convenient just to have one file for it. So what we're going to do is go and open up a web browser. We're going to use Chrome in this case, but you could use Edge, Firefox, it doesn't matter. Then what you want to do is go and type in vocal remover, like so, and come to vocalremover.org. You can come to the left and go and find the option for joiner. Then you want to go and press browse my files. Now you can go and find the files you want to do it with. Hold Control and go and click on them, and with them selected, you can press open. You can also click, hold and drag to select them, it doesn't really matter. And they'll appear in the list. To change the order, select one of them and you can go and press the arrow up or down on the right hand side. In the bottom right, you can go and choose the format, and when you're ready, you can press save and wait. And when it's complete, it will download on your computer.